Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to share with you a massive video fail that just took place. And I am bound and determined to release something on YouTube tonight. And so this episode is called How to Not Level Up Your Video. Just when you thought you're making headway, well, you know, just about anything can happen, and does. You can have technical problems and you can have equipment that fails. And sometimes you don't know about it until after you're done shooting the video. Let me take you through what just occurred. First, I came out to the studio and spent about an hour and a half to 2 hours writing the script for a new video called Capture the Moment Like Jack Pearson. It's my attempt to tap into the excitement of This Is Us and to tap into what this channel is really all about, which is helping you level up the moment. And then I spent between an hour and 2 hours getting the lighting just right, setting up lights, moving them, checking them out, checking camera settings, make sure everything is just right. So then I went inside, changed, got my hair all right for the video, and came back out here ready to film. I set up another iPhone with the script on it so I could read that as a teleprompter while I was filming, and then I spent about 30 minutes filming the video. Thankfully, I spent around 2 hours writing the script out, so the actual shooting of the video went pretty quick. And then thinking that, hey, I'm all done filming this video, I broke everything down. Then I busted out the trusty acoustic guitar, wrote some custom music for this video, thankfully haven't recorded it yet, transferred this delicious looking video over to the computer, imported it into Final Cut, and now, let me show you. Watch the screen and make sure it's framed correctly, but between your doing and your screen watching, you're actually being distracted from what God has placed in front of your very eyes. What is that? Never in all of my video editing career, which has been years, have I ever had that happen. Ever. Maybe a glitch here or there.
Epic fail.
It's hard to care right now. I just wanted to share my massive failure with you. But I've never had this happen. And it just ruined like 6 hours of work. And now I gotta reshoot it. I'm not shooting it tonight. I'm tired. Do you know what time it is? It's 4:20 a.m. I started at like 10:30. If you have some sympathy for me, would you like this video? That would be awesome. And maybe even subscribe. And I will be getting this other video out. I am determined now to do that. Well, this was a massive fail. Take consolation in my failure. And we will see you in the next video. Later.